Stuck with the dead car battery in the middle of nowhere? Don't panic. Here's how to safely bring your car back to life in minutes, even if you've never done it before. Dead batteries are more common than you think, especially in cold cities like Chicago or Stockholm, or hot, dry places like Nairobi or Las Vegas. Whether you're late for work in downtown Toronto or camping in the Australian outback, knowing how to jumpstart your car is a life skill. Know the signs of a dead battery: car won't start or makes clicking sound, headlights dim or won't turn on, dashboard lights flicker. Nothing happens when you turn the key. Stay calm and assess the situation. Park safely with hazards on. Turn off all electricals. Open the hood calmly. Breathe and troubleshoot with focus. Gather the right tools. Jumper cables or jump starter. Safety gloves optional, but smart. Owner's manual nearby. Flashlight if it's dark. Check for damage first. Inspect battery terminals. Look for leaks or corrosion. Don't touch damaged batteries. Safety first. No sparks near leaks. Clean the terminals. Use dry cloth or brush. Avoid using hands directly. Baking soda or water if corroded. Clean contact equals stronger connection. Park both vehicles properly, nose to nose or side by side. Close enough for cables to reach. Set both in park. Turn both ignitions off. Know which car is dead. Never confuse the source. Label if unsure. Dead car equals car that won't start. Donor car equals car with good battery. Identify positive and negative terminals. Red equals positive plus, black equals negative, usually labeled on battery. Terminal confusion equals danger. Follow the jumper cable. Order red to dead plus, red to donor plus black to donor, black to engine block of dead car. Avoid sparks near battery. Connect final black to metal, not battery. Sparks near battery equals fire risk. Don't touch clamps together. Always ground on frame or bolt. Wait a minute before starting. Let battery charge briefly. Builds up voltage. Gives juice time to flow. Patience pays off. Try starting the dead car. Start donor car first. Then try dead car. Crank for a few seconds. If no go, wait and retry. Keep engines running a bit. Let both cars run. Stabilizes voltage, improves recharge. Don't shut off right away. Remove jumper cables in reverse order. Black from frame, black from donor, red from donor. Don't let clamps touch. Keep clamps apart. Sparks equals short circuit. Handle cables carefully. Roll up after use. Drive the jumped car for 15-20 minutes. Recharge alternator. Highway or steady drive. Avoid stalling. Watch for warning lights. Battery light on equals see mechanic. Rough idle equals get tested. Strange noises? Don't ignore dashboard. Know when not to jump. Frozen battery? Ling acid? Cracked casing? Use a portable jump starter if solo. Charge it regularly. Keep in trunk. Safer for solo drivers. Ideal for remote areas like rural Alberta or Kenyan highways. Now you know how to jump your car safely. Save this video. You might just need it one cold morning in Toronto or one hot afternoon in Mombasa. And hey, share it with someone who drives too.